Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your fast body app. Or body fast, you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on me down here, and you just click here on me. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next here. Click here on notifications. Then you come to this list. You come here to at the end of a fasting period. Here, come here to shortly before it ends. Click in this sign. So like you see, this color show for us here, and here can you select how much time beforehand. So then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.